Yo, what's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna be playing arena mode with these three goofy goobers.
Goofy Goober.
Harvey, Andrew, and me.
You better subscribe.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
Yeah. If you've watched our other videos, he's the cool guy that let us do VIM lava. Oh my God, Harvey.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're all friended, right?
Yeah. I'll join you.
Okay, so
Yeah, I'm friends with you guys.
I bet. So everyone just join me. Alright, I'm in arena mode. Hurry up, 'cause it's about to start. No, just join me. And plus, no one's here.
Really, no one's there. Oh, hi, Jack. Oh, wait, we're in the private code. We're in the private code.
We're not, but we are because like there's no one here.
Yeah,
Oh,
how do we start
it's
it?
1v1. It's 1v1. I meant it's not 1v1. It's 2v1. You're gonna get cooked.
Yeah, I think he might win because he's like good.
Yeah, but it's a 2v1.
That is true.
But I can do this.
Oh, true. You can double jump.
Can you do this?
I have double jump.
I'm gonna eat some burritos. I'm just hungry.
Yeah, can I have one? Alright, Andrew,
you start
press
it?
start.
Just waiting for the real Jack. No, it says wait. What does it say for you? For me, it says waiting for the real Jack.
For me, it doesn't say that we're waiting for anyone.
Yeah.
Wait, what does it say?
No, like here, this bar.
Yeah.
Hold it down. Hold it down. Jack, hold
What
it.
does that say?
Oh, no. No. No.
You're cheating. Jack, right now. You're cheating.
No.
Yeah, broski, don't mess with the game. No.
Harvey, protect me.
No. No.
dead.
No. Oh, buddy. Now I got. No.
You gotta go in the void. Okay. Bro, just fell into the void. Ooh, I got a company point. I forgot you can get company points.
Got a research
not
point.
company points.
Get off my skeleton.
Can you guys like take it easy on me?
He
No.
murdered on you.
Take that! You've been smart.
Yay, he died.
If I'm by myself the next round, I'm gonna
Hey,
quit.
hey. Row your boat gently downstream. Where you go?
I'm by myself again?
Fair for us. Unfair for him.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
This isn't fair.
Protect me. Protect.
Don't charge me the floor.
Go underneath.
I got
I have like plot armor on.
Yeah, I got plot armor. Yeah, that's right. Oh no, I'm good. I might actually win. Chat, everyone like and subscribe. How do I was missing a gun. No! Well, this isn't fair. We need to get someone else in here. Wait.
What?
How do I?
Is it glitch where there used to be a glitch?
Can
where
someone
you're
join
able-
my team?
You're on our team. Wait, there used to be a glitch where you do what?
Where you could get
glitch?
back. Wait,
Where you could get what?
Wait.
you could go to this debate to this place when like you was in the waiting if you had fireworks.
I got company coins. I want to kill you, but I can't.
You're evil. You're evil.
I got a research point.
Grab ores. Did you know you can grab ores?
I want to get the last one.
Okay.
I did though.
We win!
Yummy.
Alright, how about this time someone's red with me? Because it's like not fair.
I'll do it.
I'll be red with him.
No, now you're blue. You're blue.
No,
We
I'm not.
can't all be red.
How about Andrew, you get off our team? Because he
Then
doesn't
I'm
want
gonna
to.
lose.
Bro, I lost 2 rounds in a row. It's only fair. Become blue. You're like,
1v1. I'm spectate.
Hmm.
You two have a 1v1. I'll be spectate. And the match begins. Jack is running up with his he's hitting those rocks like
oh god.
Harvey has
Oh yeah, Harvey. How about yes?
and Jack arrives. He's shooting carelessly. He's about to reload. And Harvey makes a move on him. Harvey's like, yes! Wait, I can get the guns? Can I shoot you guys? Oh, I'm spectator, so I can't. He is shooting. Go, Jack.
Okay, he's done.
Wait,
I'm hitting.
he can mine?
I can mine.
Can you mine?
You guys can mine? For some reason my game's glitching and I can't.
Your game's always.
Hey, can someone give me a gun? I can shoot.
Potato chip.
Can I have your gun?
Bro, you're so much better than me.
Oh, and Jack coming up and he's hitting the rocks like he's Fortnite. And he has killed the Harvey. He is back. He killed
No.
Jack.
Oh, yeah.
The fans are so yeah, let's go, yeah, Jack, yeah. No way. Karen.
I fell off the map. Yeah.
He fell off the map. Fire in the hole!
That's OP. That's way too OP. Your hiding spot. No, where are you? No, I saw you. I saw where you're heading. Oh, I see you, bro. I hate you. I hate you. You're not goated. It's luck.
4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2
Yeah! Victory! Victory!
No, it didn't. Whoever had the most mind. Oh, yeah.
Alright, Andrew,
Well,
you be on my team. Let's 1v1. Let's 2v1 him because it ain't fair.
Wait, it's fair. Why ain't it fair? Because you're bad at it.
No, it's because I got 2v1'd 2 games in a row.
No, you died. You really just died.
Yeah, you also died, little bro. You can't be talking.
Guys, don't get mad at me, but I forgot to plug in my headset.
Yeah, make it.
Oh, so we're just gonna win.
Against 2. Against
Yo, can I kill you? I just want to see. Like,
No.
Can you kill your teammate?
Nah, you can't.
I've tried it. You can't really beat your.
I can see there's a box fan under the whole thing.
Yeah, I know. It's not that. I've known that.
Yeah, how else would it be? Hold up.
Wait, Jack, don't start it. Look, come with me. So we need what's it called?
Still in the arena map, guys.
The
How is little boy still on the? Wait, you need what?
fireworks.
Oh yeah.
I mean jetpack. They're called jetpacks, but
They're fireworks.
Wait, can you bring these
And
into
then we
the arena?
run. This used to work. Come. No, we need them.
Like,
So
can
we run over here. We need to run. Right. Now, when we can't see that thing anymore, we should fly up, I think. It's something like that. Oh, it's when we reach the end. Alright. I think now we fly there. You see it?
Andrew, can you hear me?
Oh yeah.
So we go over here, I think. Like here.
We're about to fly to the arena map.
Look. And now.
Oh, it killed me. Oh, they put a kill block there.
Dang it. They found the secret.
Alright, let's.
Huh? Wait, did he leave?
No, he's in spectator
No.
mode.
Oh, he's.
Okay, now no one's playing. How do you on spectator mode?
Animal Company.
Let's just speedrun this. Alright.
That's the alien simulator.
Nah! He's on the other team now! Andrew, he joined back as an actual player. Nah, he's playing a dirty trick on us.
Who is?
You are!
On who?
On us. And we won anyways. We won anyways, even though you laid a dirty trick on us.
On who?
On us.
Who's us? Who is us?
Me and Andrew.
He was in spectator mode.
No, he wasn't.
Yeah, he was. Well, he was.
Okay, I think he left the game.
No, he did not. He did not leave the game.
Andrew, where are you?
Dad, do you think I can yeet you into the other map? Where is it?
Yeah, we should try over here. It's all the way over
Get
here.
it. Get on. Wait.
We have to walk all the way over here. I bet.
Here, where is it?
You have to go to like the corner. I can see it.
Ken? Oh yeah, I can see it. Hop on. No!
no. It goes. Not for a second. I thought the portal went on and on and on. I can see you. Can you see me? Bro, you really just fell off the map.
Bro, don't do it. Too dangerous. Get on, grab it. Grab it. Okay, now, let me aim trajectory.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna try and walk my way back with you. Hey, wait up! I have long arms. Yeah, it's a new mod. I'm joking. I'm going to get that friend launcher.
Adios, amigo.
Didn't even tell us. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below any games I should play next, or any game modes, or anything. So yeah, until then,